Hey guys, back here with another video on the Eagle 3 Gaming channel, and today we're going to be doing some fidget spinner trick shots with this bad boy. It's one of the, I have another one, but it's not with me on the cruise. So, yeah. And the trick, I'm not going to do like huge ones where you like throw it, well, it's not huge, I might do it like where you throw it under your legs and you throw it up and catch it, but I'm not going to be doing like throwing it like the other side of the room like this. I know you can't see that, but I just threw it, like, not really far, but I just threw it. So, let's get straight into the video, and you guys enjoy. The first, whatever you want to call it, trick shot is going to be where it goes simple, hard, harder, 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 and so on and so on. The first one is going to be the easiest trick in the world, or spin it on your thumb. Go to closer view there. Yep, I think that's good enough. And now this is I'll do where you like have it on one finger and you throw it up in the air and catch it on your other finger like I just did. So, start off on this finger, caught it on the other finger. I skipped a finger though, dang it. So, after doing there, caught it on that finger. Let's do it one more time. Throw it up, caught it. Well, I have to do it so you guys can see it, so throw it. Yikes. Hey! Throw it up there. Caught it. That was actually kind of hard. I literally knocked this right off the table because... Oh, and sorry about that painting in the background. I'm just doing it where there's a couch there. So, yeah. And next, should I do next? I'll just do a, where you throw it, then you catch it on this hand, but it's still spinning. So, caught it, but it wasn't spinning. Wow. No. This is actually really hard. No. Next try. Are you kidding me? Did it finally. Took ages. And now let's do this. So I throw it up, like I'll throw it like, and then catch it, and it'll be still spinning. So it's basically the same thing as what I just did on the other hand, but it's sort of like harder where you throw it up and catch it on the same hand when it's still spinning. Like, actually, I didn't even throw it. I just, dang it, Bill. Move it a little farther away, guys. There. Yikes. Oh, that was so close. Okay, this is way harder than I thought. I caught it on like that. I'm really bad with fidget spinners, so don't judge me, please. Caught it like the exact same. Why am I looking up there? I caught it like the exact same way I literally just did. Oh! I threw it forwards, like, but it was actually still spinning. Do it again. I'm beast. Debono. So, I just did a dab, whatever. Okay, this isn't really like a trick, but it's hard. Now I'll just do a trick. So, I'll do this. So I throw it up. Okay, so I throw it up. I like, you know how I did that? Like where I sort of just like tossed it sideways? I'm going to throw it up like, where is it? Be back. Yeah, I got it now. So I'm gonna like that. So whatever. Dang it. I'm gonna end up breaking this because this is already basically broken. Like, look. Well, I just broke it. Yeah, so like just did that. See how it's like uneven on each side? Like on that side there's this. And on that side there's nothing. On this side it's like popped out middle. There. It's not fixed. Oh, did you see that? The bearing just fell out of the fidget spinner. That's a trick. I got it. I'm just kidding. Guys, you don't know how hard this is. There we go. So did that. I hit the corner of the table. Sorry about that. Now let's do it. That was literally as close as heck. That was so close. I'm just gonna put a pillow under me. So if the fidget spinner falls, it won't. Oh, that was beast. And I'll put another pillow that you guys can't see it, but it's right there. Pillow helped. This might be my last trick shot. Yeah. I'll move my camera back. There we go. Oh, my camera. Oh. Oh, that's lit. You can't see it, but look. My foot. You probably just saw my swim trunks. I'm still in my swim trunks because I literally just went swimming. There's still people screaming out there. But I landed it. Like, I landed it. That was lit. Dang it. Didn't do that time. Yeah, this is definitely going to be my last trick shot. Oh, that hurt my thumb. Oh, it's like... Yeah, there, but like you can't see it, but there's like jar of skin on it. Can you see it? And you guys won't care. There. Oh, whatever. That was so close. Cal got it. It was... I'm gonna have to wrap it up really soon. I'll just end it off there. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to leave a like if you liked it and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And the reason I did this, like, whatever you call it, the fidget trick shot video, is only because I really have nothing to do. Pretty bored, and, well, I'm not bored because I have like 6 million things to actually do. But right now I'm just tired, so I felt like doing a non-exercising thing. And I just saw my fidget spinner on the table, so I was like, why not? So anyways, whatever. So bye. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.